Hey y'all, I just got in an Influenster box. It's full of some goodies, so let's open it up and see that. Okay, so it's by Revlon. Ooh, it's lipstick. Ooh, into this. Okay, so this one says the #1 lipstick bullet in the US, and it is their Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick, and it is their 24-hour matte, 100% vegan is what they say, Revlon Colorstay limitless matte liquid lipstick. So this one is in the shade Extra Shot, and then this is what the packaging looks like, and then this is in the shade Rumberry. Okay, so this is that shade. It is also looking like a very deep and dark, very pretty. Doesn't have really much of a smell, but it's definitely like more of a chocolate look. I was hoping for red. Okay, I was really hoping for red because that way I could then pair it with the makeup look I have today. But okay, this one is just giving me issues. Okay, finally got it open. Okay, again, this is, I know it said Rumberry, so I knew that this was going to be a little bit more of a, like with a little bit of a reddish color, but not too red. But okay, so those are the two different colors, and then I'll just put this on without any lip liner just to show the color and all that. Looking inside the mirror, it's not a horrible color, like it's really pretty. I was just hoping for more of a red today. Okay, so that's more of a sheer like a sheer kind of gloss. I mean, it keeps your lips moisturized the whole entire time, so that's not bad. But I'm gonna take this off and then show this one. Look, reminds me of what Chucky the bride wears. I can't remember her. I think her name's Chelsea. But that's what this one reminds me of. But they're actually really pretty. I'm gonna be like wearing them more often for like closer to like more fallish, Halloweenish color, whatever. But they're really pretty. But now this one's starting to dry for the matte feeling, so this one does not dry. So anyways, let me know which one you think is prettier and which one, if you've tried any of them, which one you like best and everything. So I'm gonna wipe this off, and then I'm gonna put red today because I was going for a more red look today, and I was hoping, I seen on the little thing that lipsticks were coming, and I was hoping it was gonna be red. But all right. Bye y'all.